Hello, welcome to Mudia's Academy. Today we having a fraction. So as we can see, we have different type of fraction. I've did this before in my previous video. So if you have not watched that, you can go back and watch it. So we have different type of fraction. So what we have here is mixed fraction. So it's mixed fraction in the sense that we have a whole number and we have a fractional part. So this fractional part, we have 3/4, right? And plus a whole number and the fractional parts 2/5, right? So in this case, we call this what mixed fraction, right? So how do we simplify this? So this is simplification. We're going to simplify this, right? So what we have here, 2 whole number 3/4 plus 3 whole number 2/5. So first thing we do here, we have to convert it to what? We have to convert this to we have to convert to improper fraction, right? So that's what we have to do. So to convert that to improper fraction, I have. So let's go and see what we have here. So to convert this, I have. So first of all, I'm going to say this 4 right here, right, is going to multiply 2, right? When it multiplies 2, it's going to be 8. 8 plus 3 is going to give me what? 11, right? So a plus 3 will give me 11. So a plus 3, that will give me 11. So I'm going to have 11 over 4 plus. So on the other case, I have 3 times 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is going to give me 15 plus 2. That will give me 15 plus 2. That will give me 17. Right? 15 plus 2 will give me 17. I'm going to have 17 over what? 5. 17 over 5, right? So these are what I have right now. 17 over 5. So I have 11 over 4 plus 17 over 5. So what do I do in this case? So what I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to take the LCM, right? So the LCM, the least common multiple, right? The least common multiple of this is going to be 20, right? So I have the LCM to be 20. So the LCM of this is going to be 20. So what I do in that case, I'm going to put a rule here, right? So I put a rule here, I put 20 at the bottom, right? So when I put 20 at the bottom, I'm going to say how many times can 4 go into 20? So the number of times 4 can go into 20 is going to be what? 5. I have 5. 5 is going to come what? 5 is going to multiply 11. 5 times 11. So the plus here, remind you, is still going to be at the middle, right? So I'm going to say how many times can 5 go into 20? 5 is going to go into 20. How many times? That's going to be 4 times, right? The 4 is going to come what? The 4 is going to multiply 17. 4 times 17, right? So let's go. So in this case, I'm going to say 5 times 11. 5 times 11 will give me 55, right? 5 times 11 will give me what? 55. So 5 times 11 will give me 55 plus, so I still have the row here, the 20, which is the LCM, still going to be at the bottom, right? So here I have 4 times 17. 4 times 10, when I punch my calculator, it's going to give me 68. 68. So right here, I have 55 plus 68. 55 plus 68, when I had that, it's going to give me 123. 123. Please stop. 123 over 20, right? 123 over 20. So what do I do here? I have 123 over 20. So what do I do here? I'm going to say how many times can 20 go into what? 123. So that's simple, right? Because this is 123, this is 20, right? So how many times can that go? So it's gonna go, when I punch my calculator, it's gonna go 6 times, right? 6 times. So once we just say 20, we have 5, 20, 100, and the other 20, that's 6, right? So we have what? 6. That's the whole number. So we have 6 times. Then it's gonna remain 3. So let me make this bigger. Okay. So how many times can 20 go into 123? It's going to be 6 times, right? And remember what? 3 over what? 20. This is the answer, right? This is the answer. So right here, we have the reason we didn't leave it like this. We would have left it like this, but the reason we didn't do that because this was improper fraction. You can't be having a baby carrying his mother or a baby carrying his father. No, it's not yet time for he or she to do that, right? Because this is like a baby carrying his father or his mother. He can't do that because that will break the baby's shoulder. So for us to do that to be proper, we have to what? Simplify it to the least, right? So that's what I just did. So in this case, the mother is still the one carrying the baby right now because that's normal, that's proper. So in this case, we call it what? Proper fraction. They attach the fractional power of it is called proper fraction, while the 6 is a whole number. So with this, we call it a day. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, and like our video, share, and if there's any comment, leave it at the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great